and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time, guys, it's the number 77. But well, guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style, and down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is the number 77. If you would like to see the previous 76, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of the video. And guys, as we mosey on down, we see the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course, guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat, which is the same company that does the Marvel figures which I unbox. If you're interested in seeing that, guys, all you have to do is check out the playlist, which will be in my channel. And well, let's open this up. The pages are a bit sticky again today. And well, alright. Here it shows a rustic style kitchen. I really like that table, it's really cute. With the chairs, which have like different mismatched wood, but still manage to match somehow, which is nice. And well, let's open this up. Oh, this is a beautiful kitchen. This is basically like kitchen of my dreams, kinda. You can see the table. Oh, and it has two kitties. Aww. A dishwasher there. Or no, not dishwasher, laundry machine, I should say. Refrigerator, sink, an oven with a stovetop. Very cool. And well, let's open this up. Here it shows a bit more like close-ups of this kitchen, which is absolutely adorable. And here it shows you how to connect this wooden piece that we got, which I will show you in just a moment, guys. It walks you through how to do it step by step. And guys, as I always say with this collection, once we unbox the entire thing, I will walk you through how to do each one of these projects step by step, and we will build the dollhouse together. So guys, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And here it talks about the London Underground or the London subway system. Here in Buenos Aires we have a subway system as well. It shows you a map there of the subway system. And well guys, that's the end of that. We just have the front of the dollhouse here with, of course, Salvat, the company that makes this collection, down at the bottom. And well guys, now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so now it's time to check out this wooden piece that we got. It's a bit different than some of the others. It has an engraving on this side and this side. I'm just gonna show you this bottom part and the sides. The back. And the other side. And well guys, that's that. Now it's time to check out the new bathroom stuff that we got. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so now it's time to open this up. This really is the absolute best way to do it. You can do it with scissors, but if you don't want to be forever trying to find the tape, doing it with your nail and a bit of scraping does it just well. Or I should say just as good. And let's see if I can't grab this. Alright. Let's turn this right round and let's see if we can't get this open. There. Alright. First we're just going to take these things out and then we'll have an up close look at them. Okay, so first up we have this little soap for the bathtub that we got before. Looks really cute. It's like a little green soap. The only thing is that you can't take it out. But it's very nice. It's like a metal that's painted gold, and then this is just like porcelain. And I guess here's a part where the paint chip it. Maybe we can fix that later. And well, this would be, I guess, glued to the bathtub, or maybe we can like put it to the side like this, like have it on a, like in the sink or something to the side like this. I'm not quite sure how I'll put it, but we'll see when the moment comes, right? Oh well. Now it's time to check out the toilet paper roll. Let me just pick it up. And I wasn't sure at first, but this is real paper. which is pretty funny. And then there at the top, you see this really nice design here. And this feels more like plasticky than the soap holder thing. I don't know what to call it. And well, I guess we will just glue this to the house as well in the bathroom like this. To the wall. Oop. And the toilet paper roll actually comes out. So that's crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna put the toilet paper and toilet paper roll down there. And well, you guys tell me, which one do you like the most? Do you like the soap with the holder, or do you like the toilet paper with the actual toilet paper? Or I should say with the actual paper. You guys tell me what you guys think. Tell me down in the comments below. I kind of really like, on one side I really like the toilet paper roll because it's kind of funny that it's actual paper. On the other side, the soap holder is really pretty and delicate, so I'm really not sure on this one. You guys tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. And well guys, that's the end of that. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, down in the description below, I will also have the links to all of my social media. So my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And guys, of course, as I said before, make sure to go on over and check out my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. And I will have his links down in the description below, so make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. And well guys, with that being said, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.